In the bustling heart of New York City, at the groundbreaking ceremony of a novel apartment complex, renowned architect Amelia Hart stood poised to reveal her latest creation, a floor plan unlike any other. The event was nothing short of extravagant, with industry insiders, curious journalists, and potential homeowners all eager to catch a glimpse of Amelia's genius. As flashes from cameras and hushed conversations filled the spacious exhibition hall, Amelia took the stage. With the charisma of a seasoned storyteller, she began unveiling the story behind the building's unique design. This project, dear friends, is not just about creating a living space. It's about crafting a home that speaks the language of the heart, she began. In the world of architecture, we often strive for functionality and aesthetic beauty. Rarely do we focus on how these spaces convey emotions or hold personal significance. Today, I'm presenting a floor plan that says "I love you" in its very structure. The room buzzed with excitement and skepticism. How could a set of walls and floors possibly communicate such an intimate message? Amelia continued, inviting the audience to step into her vision. The floor plan displayed on the large screen behind her was an intricately designed labyrinth, resembling a heart at a glance. As Amelia zoomed in, she walked the audience through the key elements, a set of interconnected rooms shaped like letters, spelling out a simple yet profound phrase, "I love you." Imagine walking through your home, navigating spaces that aren't just rooms but letters filled with memories, sentiments, and personal stories, Amelia elaborated. Each room is designed with purpose. The I is a comfortable living room where families gather and bonds are strengthened. The L features an open-concept kitchen, the heart of every home, where love is shared through food and conversation. Gasps of awe whispered through the audience. Amelia's design transcended traditional architecture, turning a house into a living love letter. Next, she drew attention to the O, a circular room with panoramic windows offering breathtaking city views, symbolizing the unbroken cycle of love and appreciation. The V was a versatile space for hobbies or work, encouraging personal growth while nurturing relationships. Each letter, each space, flowed seamlessly into the next, crafting a narrative that echoed love in every corner. Among the crowd was a quiet couple, Maria and Thomas, who were particularly moved. They had spent years looking for a home that felt genuinely personalized. Maria, with a soft smile, whispered to Thomas, "This isn't just architecture, Thomas. This is a statement of love." The culmination of the reveal was met with a standing ovation. As Amelia wrapped up her presentation, she caught the eye of Maria and Thomas, feeling a deep sense of satisfaction knowing her creation had touched hearts just as deeply as she'd hoped.